Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are good and doing well at home. So students, as you know, we were doing chapter number 13 constructions, and I'm going to make an announcement today that today is the last lecture of final term. Okay, and from Tuesday we are going to start our review lecture. Shh. Okay, so this is the last lecture for our final term. Means today our syllabus will be completed. We have also already completed our math and algebra work, and today we are going to complete finally our chapter number 13, which is construction. Yes, with work as well. Okay, Iman Hasham, today we are going to do the final work of chapter 13, and on Tuesday, from Tuesday, we are going to start the review of final term. And please make it sure that you must attend the lecture. Okay, must attend the lecture because upcoming lectures are very, very important regarding final term. Right? Is it clear? Yes, we do not have any class on Friday. We have classes on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday only. Okay, Nida? If you have any confusion, then you can check your timetable again, right? Okay, students, so chapter number 13 belongs to geometry section, and I'm your teacher, Miss Falak Dance, right? So let's start with the lecture's content. So what we are going to learn today and what we are going to study today. Number one is construction of an equilateral triangle. Okay, today you will learn how to construct an equilateral triangle. Okay, how to construct an equilateral triangle. You know what are equilateral triangle? In which all the sides are equal. If all the sides of a triangle are equal, so you will say that the given triangle is an equilateral triangle. And today you will learn how to construct an equilateral triangle. Okay, so first of all, write down index in geometry copy. And what is our today's index? Exercise number 13.6, question number 10. Okay, write it down. Write down this index. Okay, exercise number 13.6, question number 10, along with date. Okay, I hope all of you have done with the index. Now move on to the work. Now open your geometry copy and write down the heading of exercise number 13.6 on red line along with date. Everyone, please write down exercise number 13.6 heading on red line along with date. And when you will done, so please let me know, right? Okay. Now copy down question number 10. Now look at here. I hope most of you have already copied this question. So I'm going to explain this question as well. Just give me a minute. Just a minute. Okay, student, now look at here. What is this question and how you are going to understand this one? Look at here. Triangle equilateral means you are going to construct an equilateral triangle, and name of the triangle is DEF. Okay, name of the triangle is DEF. So you are going to construct a triangle DEF. Okay, when measure of its side is 7 centimeter, only one measurement is given to you. What does it mean by only one measurement? Previously, approximately three measurements were given, but in this question, they are telling you that you have to construct an equilateral triangle. Okay, and measure of its sides is 7 centimeter. So what does it mean? Only one measurement is given. Hmm? Very good, Miram Wakar. Very good, Miram. Anyone else? Anyone can tell me what does it mean? Means you are going to construct an equilateral triangle. So it means the measurements of all the sides are equal, and they are giving you only one measurements. But as you know that you are going to construct an equilateral triangle, so each side will be of 7 centimeter, as they have already write it down here that all the sides is equals to 7 centimeters. So in the next step, what you have to do, write down what is given to you. Now look at here. Stop writing, everyone. Just listen to me. Now, how will you write what is given? You will write it down in this way, that first you will write it down the measurement from D to E will be 7 centimeter. Then measurement from D to F is 7 centimeter, and measurement from E to F is 7 centimeter. You have to write it down by yourself. You have to decide it. You have to decide by yourself the side of each name of each side. Okay. Just suppose this is a triangle that you are going to construct it. So this is D. Okay, this is E, and this will be F. And each side is equal, yani कि each side is 7 centimeter. So from D to E is 7 centimeter, D to F is 7 centimeter, and D to F, E to F is also 7 centimeter. So this is given to you. Yes, the love is all sides are equal. Now you may copy it down. Very good, Miram. Very good. Okay, done. Please tell me if you done. Okay, now next heading will be of what? Required. Now what is required to you? Equilateral triangle DEF is equals to question mark. Okay. This is required to you, which is equilateral triangle is equals to question mark. Okay, students, now what you have to do, we are going to solve question number 10, and we have our data are given and required. Now in the next step, we are going to construct this triangle. As you know that we are going to construct triangle DEF, and each side is equals to 7 centimeter. So first we are going to draw our base side. So how will you draw it? Simply use an scale and draw a line segment of around 7 centimeter. Okay, everyone, 0 till 7. Everyone, draw a line segment starting from 0 till 7, just like this. Hurry up and name it that this is D and this is E. Okay, right? And write it down here. The measurement from D to E is 7 centimeter. Done? And you will done, so please let me know. Okay. After that, what you have to do, ready your compasses, means insert the pencil in the compass. And now each side is equals to 7 centimeters. So what you have to do, you have to open your compass of radius 7 centimeter. Look at here, what will be the radius 7 centimeter from 7. Okay, this is 7, right? Open your compass around 7 centimeter, everyone. And then now listen to me, please do not do anything, everyone. Just stop doing whatever and look at here. At point D, open your compass around 7 centimeter, and then at point D, place the needle of the compass and make an small arc here. That's it. Okay, right? After that, what you have to do, you know all the sides are equal. you know all the sides are equal, so with the same radius, okay, with the same radius, place the needle of the compass at point D and make another arc just like this. Simple. Okay, now what you have got it here, look at here everyone, please do not do anything. Look at here. Now you have to decide which is your center point. Okay, so here is your center point, and what you have to do, you have to join point D with E just like this, and it should measure it that this side should be equals to 7 centimeter. As you can see, this is accurate to 7 centimeter, so I'm going to join it. Similarly, I'm going to join this point with this one. It is also equal to 7 centimeter. Okay. Now, this point now is called as F, and the measurement from D to F is 7 centimeter, and E to F is also 7 centimeter. So now each side is equal to 7 centimeters. So you will see that this is an equilateral triangle, right? Now start drawing it, and please turn your videos on so that I can see what are you doing. Very good, Dilaviz. Very good, Hania. Just a minute, just a minute. Just a minute. I'm going to check each and every one's. Just a minute. Give your students some time so that they can draw it, and then I'll check your answers. Very good. Dilaviz is still doing. Miram, I think Miram has done. Is this on Sheikh Iman? Okay, Iman, Naima, just wait, just wait. I'm going to check each and everything. Very good. Rania, where is the point F? Okay, now I'm going to check one by one each and every ones, okay? Now starting from Miram. Okay, Miram, you know what you have to do? Put the scale and then check. Put your scale on the figure and then measure it. Yes. 0 till 7. Okay, next one. Next one. 0 till 7. Okay, very good. Okay, next is Hania. Please put the scale on it. Hania, scale put कीजिए बेटे. Okay, who is this? Okay, Hamna Tariq. Now, Hamna Tariq, I'm checking your answer. Hamna Tariq. Is it 7 centimeter? Are you sure, beta? Hamna? No, Hamna, not at all right. Look at here. This is the point. No, remove the scale. Remove the scale. Now look at here. Now show it to me. Now look at here. This is point F now. Beta, this is point F, and you have to join the line with the F. Look at here. This line is going over the arc. You have to join it with the center point, Hamna. This is wrong, beta. Okay, Iman, your work, please. Okay, now, yes, please check it. Yes, please measure it with the scale. Okay, students, after the heading of required, write down the heading of draw, write down first step, which is draw measurement DE, which is equals to 7 centimeter. Okay, now what was the second step? Very good, Muhammad Anshi. Very good. So what we did, we take D as a center, and with the radius 7 centimeter, we drew an arc here. Okay, so second will be D as center. Okay, D as center with radius 7 centimeter, draw an arc. D as center with radius 7 centimeter. Remember that we put the needle of the compass here and then we draw the arc here. Okay, so D as center, by taking D as center, now this is center point. So D as center with radius 7 centimeter, draw an arc, right? When you will done, so please let me know. No, don't write draw arcs of 7 centimeter on both sides, okay? Miriam, this is not right, okay? Write it down in this way that I'm telling you. D as center with radius 7 centimeter, draw an arc, right? Done? Okay, good. Now, what we did next? E as center, okay, by taking this one. This is the E, and you took E as a center point. So you will write E as center with radius 7 centimeter, okay? E as center with radius 7 centimeter, draw another arc. But that arc should be intersect the first arc at point F, that you have decided that this is your point F. Remember, this is your point F. So you will write here E as center with radius 7 centimeter. Draw another arc intersecting the first arc at point F. Right? When you will done, so please let me know, right? Hurry up, students. Yes. Done. Okay, fine. Okay, now what will be the last next step? What will be the next step? Now, what will be the number 4 step? Okay, Rani, I'm going to check it at the end. Okay. Okay, and then number 4, what you will write? Join D to F and E to F. Remember that we joined this point D to F with the help of a scale D to F as well as point E to F. Okay, so at the end, what you will do, you will write join point D to F and E to F, right? Simply write join D to F and E to F. Join D to F and E to F. Done? Very good, Hafsa. Then, now, last one is this one, which is DEF is the required triangle. DEF is the required triangle. That's it. DEF is the required triangle. That's it. Done. Now, this is the end of the lecture. If you want to ask anything, if you have any questions, you may ask it right now. And also, I'm talking to those students who want to check it again. Just suppose we have Rania. Okay, Rania. Just a minute, Rania. I'm checking your work. Just give me a minute. Please do not go anywhere, students. Just a minute, Rania. Yes, Rania, please show your work. I don't think it is. It is still 7 centimeter. Okay, next one, please. Next one, please. Um, Not that much clear, but somehow it is right. 7 centimeter. Okay. Anyone else who want to check the work? Check their work. Hmm. Anyone else? No one. Okay, fine, students. Now going to end the lecture here, and I want to say one thing to you. I just want to say one thing to you all is that please be ready for the revision, everyone. And in during Tuesday class, you must have your math copies with you because we will do our revision in math copy. Okay, is it clear? Yes, of course I have. Raja is one. Yes, we are. I am in school. Yes.